Hello dear student, as you know, we have started our chapter first development in economics and we also discuss in part first of development. In that video, we were completed the first important topic is what is development and second different people have a different developmental goals and today we are studying about the income and other goals and the topic of next national development in part second. So let's start. Our first topic is income and other goals. In this topic we can categorize between two subgroups. First is material things and second is non-material things. Under material things we can study about money, property, income, and money or material things that one can buy with it is one factor on which our life depends, but the quality of our life also depends on non-material things. These non-material things are the equal treatment, freedom, security, and respect of all others. The recent discriminations. So all these are important goals. You can see these pictures and try to understand how income and other goals are categorized into two subgroups like as materialistic and second is non-materialistics. And here materialistics in wealth, property and income already we discussed in our first slide. And then second is non-materialistic things, freedom, equal treatment, security and respect. It means apart from the income, people want to non-materialistic things. Here we can see number of example which giving idea about income and other goals. Suppose if you have a job in a far off place, before accepting it you would try to consider many factors. So which factor first to consider before joining of this job? First is the facilities for your families, working atmosphere and opportunity to learn. And another case, suppose job may be give you less pay but may offer regular employment that enhance your sense of the security. And another, however, may offer high pay but no job security and also leave no time for your families. This will reduce your sense of security and freedom. Last two example which tell us, first one is the regular work but paying low salary and second is paying high salary but no job security. In these times only people like to the low salary because of this institution and this work which provide to the regular work of the employee. So everyone want to the regular work, and if they provide the low salary but they continuously to appoint as a regular workers. And then is similarly for development people look at a mixed goals. How people look at the mixed goals, like as women are engaged in paid work, their dignity is the household and society increase. However, it is also the case that if there is a respect for women, there would be more sharing of housework and a greater acceptance of women working outside. But when women started to work outside of the home, if to provide safe and secure environment may allow more women to take up a varieties of job or run a business. Through these examples and even through previous examples we have ideas about the income and other goals, and even also the people look at the mix of goals. And that's why the developmental goals that people have are not only about better income but also about other important thing in their life, and these developmental goals we can see in this slide. With concern of our topic income and other goals, we can see here different developmental goals apart from the income. Now the topmost is the income. After that, people also want to the different goals, but these goals are also not same to the different people. Different people having also different goals according to their need, like as income, good standard of living, satisfaction, equal treatment, freedom, security, ample opportunities, and respects. All these important developmental goals every people want according to their demand and according to their require. National development is our second most important topic in this videos. Like as we seen in our surrounding areas, in our countries, there are many changes in different field. Like as the transportation is also changed as compared to the earlier period. Even the education system is also changed. Then health facilities, infrastructure facilities, the all types of the changes we can be considered to the development, and this is a development in a nation. It means the national development. Different person could have a different as well as conflicting notion of a country's development. In the process of national development, a heavy industries is a setup, or we can say that it is all round development of a nation. So which is called as the all round development of the nation, as like as the industries, and then the education, health, and national income. These can be considered to the national development, and these can be helped to the all round development of the nation. And national development refers to the ability of a country to improve the social welfare of the people. It means national development is the most important. After national development, it can be create ability of a country to improve the social welfare of the people, and three welfare also provide by the different ways, like as the quality of education, potable water, transportation, infrastructure, and then medical care. If we found the positively changes in these different ways in different field, then we can say to the national development. Now the first one is the quality of education. Quality of education is most important because of due to the good quality of the education, then to help to the increase our literacy rate in very positively. Then transportation is a most important, and transportation is also changed as compared to the early period, and there are different modes of the transportation: airways, waterways, landways, and roadways, and hence the transportation is a lifeline of the Indian economy. And then is the infrastructure. As we can say, many people who move from village area to the urban areas, why they move from rural areas to the urban areas? Because of in rural areas there are so many lacking of the facilities. That's why they want to the infrastructure, they want to the facilities, hence they move from rural area to the urban areas for the infrastructure facilities. And after that, medical care is the most important, because of the good medical care is also provide the good health of the people, and due to this ratio the proper treatment is also increase in different areas, like as in rural areas and urban areas. That's why the all these factors and all these fields also important in for the national development. National development is also depend on different factors of the national development. So which important factors of the national development? The first one is the per capita income, second is a gross national product, and then third is a gross domestic product, and fourth is a infrastructure. So the first one is a per capita income. So what is the meaning of the per capita income? Now the first, the total income of a country divided by the population is called the per capita income of the country. Different countries having different population, and according to their population, different countries people income also different, and hence the per capita income is also divided by the population. Country's income is also divided by the total population of the countries. That's called as the per capita income. Second factor is gross national product. In short, it is called G. Actually, GNP, it means the total income generated in the country is called gross national product. Now you most need to concentrate on the total income generated. Total income generated in the country, it means in different field to the generated of the income, like as the transportation, then health, then education. Through these types of the field, if to generate the income, this income is called as the gross national product. Once again repeat the definition of the gross national product. The total income generated in the country is called gross national product. And third is the gross domestic product. In short, it is called GDP. Here the definition of the GDP, the total income generated minus the income generated by export, is called the gross domestic product. It means here to the minus the income generated by the exports. Only to the countries, only to the domestic income can be calculated in a gross domestic product. And fourth important factor of the development is infrastructure, as the roads, railways, airports and power generation are the lifeline of the nations of economy. A better infrastructure ensure a better economic activity leading to overall prosperity. It means infrastructure facility is the most important for the development of the nation. Already I explained this point in our previous point. So I hope all of you understand the two most important points in this videos, like as the income and other goals, and second is the national development. Thank you.